Hey kindergartners, Miss Klein here with Sonday Lesson 157. We are going to start with reading some words and they're gonna be in word families. So this is gonna be the IP word family. Rip, nip, lip, tip, sip, hip, dip, rip. And that is our sight word Remember, it's not a, it's the sight word like a car drove by. That's the sight word like the car drove by. Now I want you to read these phrases. It's actually a sentence because there's a period here. Tip it, tip it. I wonder what they're talking about. Maybe tip the ball? I'm not sure. Pat it, like pat a dog. A tin pan. Bad fit. Now these are not part of the word family, they're just review words. Pin, fad. Hit, pad. Bit, had. I'm seeing a rhyming pattern. Oh, now it changed. Wit, rag. Fin, ram. Kit, tab. Fit, pad. Tin, rip. Now I'm going to ask you to spell a couple words before we move on to new material. So I'm going to say two phrases that I want you to write down, and then we'll keep our piece of paper for our new material because I'm going to have you write that down this time too. So I want you to spell me this phrase. Tip it. Tip, finger space, it. That's a phrase, tip it. Now I want you to spell the phrase sad man. Sad, finger space, man. There you go. All right, now let's move on to some new material. It's the id word family. I want you to write these down as we read them. So on your piece of paper, you're gonna have a list of id words. Are you ready? Hid, id. So go ahead and write that one down just like it shows on the screen. Now it says lid, id. So you can continue to make your list one right underneath the next. Bid, b-i-d. Good. Bid. The next one says kid, like you guys. K-i-d. Kid. Can you see it? The sun's kind of shining in here. Rid, r-i-d. Rid. Woo. Did, d-i-d. Did. Good job, friends. Now you can put your pens away and we're just going to read them. Lid, bid. Did, kid. Hid, rid. Now we're going to go over our Sonday worksheet for the day. Ooh, this looks so fun. Find a word to complete each sentence. Use each word only once. Write the sentence. So it says Jill can, Jill can sip, Jill can win, Jill can tag, Jill can wrap, Jill can dip, Jill can rim. A lot of these make sense. So you get to pick which word you think fits the best with that sentence. It doesn't matter to me or Mrs. Volpe which one you pick, as long as it makes sense. Jill can rim probably doesn't make sense. Jill can dig, that one makes sense. Maybe she's digging a garden. So you fill in whichever word you want, only use each word one time. And then it says it wants you to rewrite the sentence. So write the word here, then write the whole sentence. Jill can dig. Does that make sense? Awesome, friends. You are going to do so great creating sentences. This is how far we've come in kindergarten, and I'm so excited for you. Okay, have fun making your sentences. See you next time.